What is good, Wavy Gang, man? Look, y'all not used to this view, right? Hey, look, I'm outside, I'm chilling, trying to switch it up. Hey, but look, though, we about to get into a little video, man. Y'all see the video we about to do, man. I'm gonna do a little ASMR, little brush session, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned, man. Like the video up, man. Comment, do it all, man. Let's get it.
Hercules and his gold, Hercules and his geese, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself composing with what she said when she... Yes, excellent!
Listen to the cheer, you!
Girl, the way you moving, got me in a trance. DJ, turn me up, ladies, this your jam. I'ma sip my Moscato, you gon' move them fast. And I'ma throw this money while you do it with no hands. Girl, drop it to the floor.
Hey, what's up, Wavy Gang, man? Hey, look, we are back with another video, man. And like I said, as you seen in that previous clip, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna do ASMR, you feel me? The reason I'm gonna do this, somebody know why not. I haven't seen no way ever done it yet, so I said, you know, let me just try it out, you feel me? And also, the reason I'm gonna do it too, cause my wolf has been going crazy. I have not been keeping up with it like I should. If y'all can see, the wolf is like a focus. There we go. But yeah. Anyway, but y'all see, my wolf been going crazy. Haven't been keeping up with it like I should have been. But yeah, so I say, you know what? Why not do ASMR? So we're gonna do that. Feel me? You know what I mean? So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, you know, do it all, man. Woo, man. But let's get right into that video. I don't know how they really do this shit, but I think you're supposed to do it like this.
buddy.